Hey, how's it going? My name is Jay, and in this first video as part of the Forex Trading for Beginners series, I will show you how to quickly set up a brokerage account so you can get started in the markets. So let's just jump straight into the screen and get to it. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is head across to the broker. So if we look in the description at the bottom of this video, you click show more and then you go to open trading account. We will head across to the broker here, and then what we do is we simply open an account. Now you would need to fill out your information, so we quickly do that. Now when you click verify, this little thing will come up, so you need to match these symbols in the order that they have it here. So this will be the first one, and then this would be the second, and you click OK. Then you can select whether you want it via WhatsApp or email, SMS. So we go to email and we'd send PIN. So PIN has been sent. We will head across to the email and we will just refresh it until we get that email that comes in with the login details. So this could take a little while. You may need to refresh it a couple of times, or you may need to resend the PIN. So there the email came in, so you have the PIN right here, and there you have it. Register now. So once this is done, in the next video I will show you how to create a demo account, and so you'll be able to actually trade the markets with a demo. And this is it, we on the brokerage platform. So if you come in here, you can see in the message center we have a welcoming message for successfully registering for the account. So that's how simple the process is. What we would do in the next video is we would look at creating a demo account so we could actually start trading in the market, and then we'll move forward and get into the platform, looking at trading strategies, different indicators, and then eventually we will work our way to actually trading with a live account. So stay tuned for that. If it's something you're interested in seeing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see specifically so I could do a video on that, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.